Hey, Coach Craig here with Flab Training, and today I have a flabby arms workout. If you are trying to tighten and tone your arms, then this is the workout for you. It's gonna be completely seated, no equipment needed. Let's have some fun. Alrighty, so take a seat anywhere, any seat, and here we go. We're gonna start with some arm circles. Sit up nice and tall. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Arms out to the side. Let's start off small with these circles. Really reach with your fingertips. Engage your core. Go medium. Boom, here we go. Larger, we switch in 3, 2, 1, and switch. Again, start small. Bring it wider. Really feel it in your shoulders. Reach with those fingertips larger. 3, 2, 1, and done. Shake out your arms. Next, we have an overhead reach and pull. This is gonna be fun. Plant your feet on the ground, not in the ground. That'd be kind of weird unless you're in sand. But anywho, we are gonna focus on bringing one arm over to overhead reach. So we're reaching across and then we're pulling from this diagonal position. And then we're doing the other side. We're reaching, you wanna feel your whole side body stretch and pull. You're gonna feel it in your triceps and your lats. So engage your upper body here. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So we reach, pull, back to center, reach, pull. Make sure you breathe. This is definitely more of an isometric squeeze here. So you're the one putting the pressure on yourself. If you want, you can use a dumbbell, but this is also effective. Pull and squeeze, boom. It's also helping loosen up your whole body here. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Moving along, we have some tricep extensions. Now, let's see, how should I do this? The main goal, here I'll turn sideways. Boom, here we go. It's kind of harder when you have a bench, but the goal is we want to bend slightly forward, elbow back and up, and we're just extending our arm out like this. Our elbow is the hinge. And just squeeze so you can feel your triceps tighten up. Squeeze for a second, release, and boom, that's your tricep extensions. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So arms up, boom. Squeeze, just like this. Especially when you're not using weights and you have to focus more on the isometric part of things. So really squeeze your muscles, force them to, essentially you're tearing your muscle fibers. And then as they heal, that's how they get bigger and, pushes the fat out of the way, all that good stuff. It's not exactly how it works, but it makes me feel, better thinking about it like that. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm doing my body good. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Next, we have a push and squeeze. Here we go. We're talking about the isometric part. Boom, this is it right here. Push your hands together like so. So what we're doing is we're gonna focus on getting it right here in our sternum, and we are doing 2 things at the same time. We are pushing our hands together like this, as if you're arm wrestling yourself technically, or trying to high five, so you can push who. And as we do so, we are extending out in front of us, and you're gonna feel the squeeze all up in your arms, your chest, even your back. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So we start here, boom. Extend right out in front of you. Keep a nice tempo. We're not trying to do the speed thing. This does nothing. But by squeezing this whole time, you're fighting against yourself. Boom. And this is all you'll need, and your arms will be fatigued. There it is, keep that tension. Now, if you feel anything hurting or tweaking, then let up. You are setting the temperature, right? It's like you control the thermostat. So you can turn it up or as hot or cold as you'd like. Come on, one more, 3, 2, 1, and release. Oh, I felt that, but hey, we are gonna power through the rest of this. I feel good though. Okay, punches. Let's do some punches. Let's actually now get our blood moving, get our arms nice and tired. Now the name of the game is throw whatever type of punch you want, but don't let your arms drop. Arms have to stay up here, whatever type of punch you want to do, but don't let your arms drop for these next 30 seconds. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. You can focus on punching straight out in front of you like this. If you want a little more movement, you can punch out to the side. You can mix it up, whatever you like. So boom, Sit up nice and tall, engage your core, and then just turn your wrist over. See if your hands are up, boom, just turn, palm down basically, boom. There it is. And again, it doesn't matter what it looks like. It can look like this. Just don't let your elbows get below down here. Come on, keep those arms up. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Now you can drop your arms. Great job, you crushed that. Next, we have a bent over reverse fly. Now we're gonna focus more on our upper back, but it's also gonna translate to our shoulders, our triceps as well. It's gonna make your overall arms look pretty good. So typically you would do this with dumbbells. You would sit like so, and you'd extend, almost try to get your belly to your thighs, and arms are between, or hands are between your legs like this, and we're just, boom. Just letting gravity do the work, and we're pulling our shoulder blades together. Pretend you have a pencil or walnut there. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So you're here, boom, squeeze. Slowly lower your arms, squeeze. Boom. Like I said, this is a little easier with weights because you can actually feel the resistance, but with no weights, you have to create it. Boom, there it is. Come on, squeeze those shoulder blades together. Hold there for a second each time. Boom. 3, 2, 1, squeeze, squeeze, and done. All right, last but not least, you know, with any type of arm workout, we have to throw some IYTs, TYIs, whatever you want to call them in here. So let's get our arms nice and tired, finish off strong. Here we go. Sit up nice and tall. We're gonna have our arms extended out in front of us. We have our I, our Y, and our T. Boom, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So I, Y, and T, boom. Really push. I'm leaning slightly forward just to really help myself engage my core. Now, when you're standing, it's a little easier because there's a certain range of motion you hit and you know it, but when you're seated, you kind of try to fly away, but as long as your arms get to parallel, you're good. You don't have to push or extend past a range of motion you're not comfortable with. And as long as you're squeezing and pushing with your fingertips forward, you will feel it. Let's do one more. 3, 2, 1, and done. There you have it. That is your first set done. Let's push it. Here we go. Arm circle. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Three, 2, 1, down. Overhead reach and pull. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Tricep extension, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Push and squeeze. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, keep reaching. You got this. Squeeze with it. Rock with it. 3, 2, 1, done. Punches, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, done. Bent over, reverse fly. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, down. IYT, 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, I know it's a funny name, but it is not funny what it does to your body. It is serious. We are burning fat, we are building muscle. So keep pushing, keep squeezing. Three, 2, 1, down. Great job, second set done. I know your arms are on fire, but come on, let's finish strong. We got one more set to go. Let's get it. Arm circle, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Three, 2, 1, down. Overhead reach and pull. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Tricep extension, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Push and squeeze. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. Punches, 3, 2, 1, go. I know you're tired. Fatigue is setting in. Keep going. We got this. Three, 2, 1, done. Bent over, reverse fly. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, down. IYT, 3, 2, 1, go. Last set, best set, push yourself. This is where it counts. Three, 2, 1, down. And there you have it. That was your flabby arms workout, but flabby arms, no more. Come on. Show me your biceps, show me your arms. That's what I'm talking about. Great job. Give yourself a pat on the back because you earned it, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. If you like these type of videos, if you like my energy, we got so much more coming your way. We got Coach Gabby, Coach Mayor. We are just so glad you are here and we're a small part of your health and fitness journey. Go ahead and click that notification bell. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment of support. It makes us feel good, gives us a little dopamine hit. We're like, ooh, you know, people are actually watching us. That's kind of cool. Either way, we would just love to hear from you guys, and we'll join you next time. So I'll see you. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.